Now we're going to talk about the mechanics of content creation, how you actually go about doing it. So I think the first thing that you need is a big chunk of time, probably at least, I would say, half a day, 4 hours, something of that nature. Now, ironically, I'd suggest that whilst you're actually creating your content, that you actually stay away from social media platforms. Try and get rid of distractions. I would reckon that you should probably choose your favorite word processor, something like Microsoft Word, that's what I use, or Google Docs, whatever's your favorite word processor. Organize the document, put some columns in there, so you're going to need to have things like the date and the time of when you want to have the post published. You might want to put some keywords in the column. We were talking about motivation, categories of quotations earlier on, such as motivational quotes. So you might want to have a column that captures the category, and the character count, the title, hashtags, that kind of thing. But don't worry about too much about that detail initially. The important thing is to get going, get started.